Homeless camps have now been banned on public property in all of Hamilton County.
A judge expands the boundary of the ban as one tent city closed, another popped up not far away. Jeff Hurst joins us live from the newest camp along Gilbert Avenue in Walnut Hills. Jeff?
Well, good afternoon. Behind me, it may look like a Boy Scout campout, but it is anything but. This is the 5th homeless camp tent city in or around the downtown area that I have covered in the past few weeks. This one sprang up after another one was ordered shut this morning near the casino. Residents of the homeless camp near the downtown casino packed up and left this morning. A camp resident who calls himself Darkness was one of those who had to leave after a month and a half on the streets in various places.
I never intended it for it to last quite that long.
One of the big questions for residents of a homeless camp, this one or any of the others, is if all of your worldly possessions are kept in a backpack or a tent or even a garbage bag, and then you have to move, what happens to all of your stuff?
I know it's an eyesore and a mess, but we're packing it up and moving out. We're helping a couple people move some things.
Hamilton County Judge Robert Ruhlman had prohibited homeless camps in part of Cincinnati and Hamilton County, including near the casino. The Homeless Coalition then asked a federal judge to overrule that. The federal judge today said no. So a few residents, Darkness and his wife Sunshine, that's what he calls her, then moved their tents to just outside the boundary along I-71 in Walnut Hills.
You know, I just wanted a place to lay my head at night.
But Darkness and Sunshine may have to find another day somewhere else. This afternoon, Judge Robert Ruhlman extended the homeless camp ban to all of Hamilton County. The ban will only be enforced if there is space in homeless shelters and people refuse to go.
I still don't know what I'm doing.
You're just trying to buy time to whatever?
Yes. Just trying to make sense of it all.
Now, I've been here for a little over an hour, and within the past few minutes, at least one of the tents has been taken down, put into a car. Looks like maybe they're bringing down one or two of the others. So the question is, are they going to obey this court order, or are they going to move again? And if so, where? This is obviously not over. There will be other court hearings, but as of this minute, this place is supposed to close if they can take them at the shelters. And you talk to that gentleman his name Darkness and Sunshine. His wife said, look, I don't want to go to a women's shelter and my husband's at a men's shelter. I've got PTSD. I need him in the middle of the night if I wake up. Now, you may or may not agree with that. You may or may not sympathize with it. But there are some people who simply say they can't really exist in shelters. And, that's really a handful of people that this is actually turning out to be about. Live in Gilbert Avenue, Jeff Hurst, Local 12 News. Back to you.
Jeff, thanks very much. Judge Ruhlman has a hearing scheduled for August 20 to review the issue.